I really love our snowman, man.
Yeah, he's great. What do you think he'll be doing when we get home later?
Well, I imagine he'll just be sitting here, although he might be lonelier.
Yeah, I bet he'll be thinking about us.
What do you imagine he will be doing this time tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow is a warm day. Sadly, he will be melting.
It is sad, but I'm glad he's here now. And what about you? What will you be doing tomorrow afternoon?
I think I'll be walking out here again. I enjoy walking. Will you be walking with me?
I think I will, Bob. I think I'll be walking right next to you.
Robert teaches English.
To understand the future continuous tense, you really need to understand the present continuous tense. So if you haven't watched my video on the present continuous, make sure to watch that first. Basically, the future continuous tense acts in the same way as the present continuous, except it happens later, in the future. Right now, I am talking to you. Tonight, I will be sleeping. Note that since we're using a continuous form, the ing form, this should refer to an action that happens over a period of time. It shouldn't be a quick action. Just like with the present continuous, if I do say a quick action like a snap, tomorrow I will be snapping, the listener will assume that I will be snapping over and over and over and over again. We use the future continuous to talk about what we believe or what we predict will be happening, usually at a specific period of time.
What will you be doing tomorrow afternoon?
I think I'll be walking out here again.
Tomorrow at 6 a.m., I'll be climbing at the rock climbing gym. Tomorrow around 8 a.m., I'll be sitting here drinking coffee. We can also use it for overlapping action when we're talking about what will be happening while something else is happening.
What do you think he'll be doing when we get home later?
Well, I imagine he'll just be sitting here.
While I'm climbing at the rock gym, my wife will be sleeping. While I'm here drinking coffee, my wife will be driving to work. So just to review, we use the future continuous tense to talk about future predictions or plans, what we believe or what we plan we will be doing or someone will be doing. And we use it to talk about overlapping actions, what will be happening while something else is happening. Now for practice, I want you to answer this question. What will you be doing tomorrow evening? I will be hosting a Fiesta Friday party at my new apartment. I will be making guacamole, I will be making fresh tortillas. But what will you be doing tomorrow evening? Let me know in the comments below along with any other questions that you have for me. As always, I want to thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a wonderful job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.